What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to T-Less Good 10 Adventures. I'm here with another review of the Harbor Freight trailer dolly. This is 600 pounds moving capability. It does have inflatable tires. Super easy to install. The tires do hold 900 pounds per tire. It says per weight. They are inflatable by air. It does come with a 1 7/8 ball. I've noticed it does attach to a 2-inch ball perfectly fine, no issues. Super easy to install. Has a little stand there. Has two rubber grips, so you can move it down as well as move it up. You can see it hits on the little stand right there. Weight-wise, it's probably about, I don't know, 25 pounds. Pretty light. Does the job pretty good. So super easy to install. Here's a little quick picture of it. All master 600-pound trailer dolly, some warning labels, and a serial number as well. Install's super easy, literally like 6 bolts. I bought it so I could move my small 5/8 trailer around the side right here. Yeah, let's go ahead and hook it up and show you how the demonstration of it is. Again, quality is pretty decent for the price. It's about $60 for the unit with the coupon, 20% coupon. Some bolts, more bolts, and the ball right there. You could also switch this ball out to a 2-inch ball, 2 3/8 ball, whatever you have for your trailer needs. Definitely pretty decent. Let's hook it up and show you how it works. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and install this. Super easy. Put it down. Then you're going to want to put your trailer down right on it. Again, mine is a 2-inch tongue, and this is a 1 7/8 ball. Okay, right when you get it on the hitch, make sure, I always like to lock it just to be safe. Don't want to risk anything like that. So basically all you're going to be doing is lifting it up and moving your trailer. Pretty easy. Moves left, right, forward, and backwards. And if I put it down, it'll hold it in place just like that. So pretty decent. Again, Harbor Freight, $600 or 600 pounds. Sorry about that. Pretty decent for the price. I mean, just to move a trailer back and forth or side to side to just get room clearance, pretty good deal. Yeah, hope you like, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you later for more videos. Bye.